Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about the imperial measurement system, specifically focusing on the inch. Let's talk about some terminology related to this measurement system. Inches are typically shown with the quotation marks after or the letters I, N. Before the decimal place, we have our whole numbers. This can be 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, whatever you want it to be. After the decimal place, we have our tenths, 100ths, and 1,000ths of an inch. This is the decimal place we typically work to as machinists. To put this in perspective, the human hair is typically about 3,000ths of an inch. Machinists typically talk in thousandths of an inch. That has been shortened down to thou. So if I say 200 thou, the decimal equivalent would be 0.200 inches. If I say 350 thou, the decimal equivalent is 0.350 inches. If I say 40 thou, the decimal equivalent is 0.040 inches. If I say 190 thou, the decimal equivalent is 0.190 inches. If I say 2 inch and 40 thou, the decimal equivalent is 2.040 inches. And if I say 1 inch, 132 thou, the decimal equivalent is 1.132 inches.